We provide the free plan, and then we come to these shows and we see that they're a long-term customer now of ours, that they've grown their business because of PSS. And that's very fulfilling for me and Gus. Yeah, we had a great show. A lot of existing customers came to see us, which was fantastic. We always love connecting with our existing customers and showing new features that me and Gus have been working on.
Yeah, I think especially people were very excited to see the new jobs feature that we're trying to build here coming out soon. We really got a lot of feedback from people and try to improve our jobs offering. And I think it's resonating with people and they see it. So as Juan said, we had a great chance to talk to existing customers and meet some new customers that are thinking about trying different softwares. For one or A or B reasons, they're not happy with who they have right now, and they're seeking other providers. And I think what we showed them, they were happy to see it, right? So
Absolutely.
definitely.
And it's nice seeing people sometimes, even when they start out on our free plan, which is a way that we give back to the industry. We provide the free plan, and then we come to these shows and we see that they're a long-term customer now of ours, that they've grown their business because of PSS. And that's very fulfilling for me and Gus. That's one thing that we always try to provide to this industry. Me being in this industry for almost 20 years now in the pool industry, and Gus on the tech side. We love giving back like that and seeing customers be PSS and grow from like 10 customers to 80, 100 pools, in a matter of a year.
Absolutely. I think these shows offer a great chance to get feedback. As we see our existing customers, we can ask them how we can improve the software. And it's also great to see you guys. Thank you for coming by our booth. We always like to meet our user base, get to know what's going great, maybe what we can improve on. So definitely, always pass by the shows. We love to hear from you and see you and just get to know you in person. So thanks again for stopping by.